Hi there, this is Reflections by Jane. Sorry I've not been around for a while, but I've had COVID and it's been really busy around here. I'm not going to do a full voiceover on this video because I am still quite breathless and um, as you can tell by my voice, I'm still suffering slightly. So I'm going to use products from Alinacutle. This is going to be a clean and simple card. I'm using an A2 card base. This is an A2 card panel. I'm using some of the transfer foil. This isn't for laminators. This is a hot foil. It's for such things as like a tacky glue or double-sided tape. You can use it for that kind of thing. Now these are transfer sheets, so there's 2 cm sheets here. I'm just going to be using one of those. I've picked a sentiment which says best wishes, and this is flowers and foliage, and these can be individually cut out and then used on your cards. I'm going to use this circle die here, and it fits the width of an A2 card panel, and I will cut it down slightly as you'll see in the video. Yeah, so I'm going to put some music on, put this video on fast forward. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments section below. I'd really appreciate if you like and subscribe. Yeah, and I'll catch you all again soon in the next video. Take care and bye for now.